One more day on parallel lines with the transversal. Today, we are going to have to solve for the angles. Let's put solving. All right, so we're still going to have parallel lines cut by a transversal. And keep in mind, don't we have just a big angle and a little? And what does a big and a little have to add up to?
180.
Yeah, so nothing new there. Let's say that today they put 3x here, and they put 5x plus 40 here. Now let's think about this for a minute. What is this one?
Little.
Big or little?
Little.
What's this one?
Big.
Okay, do we know like how many degrees that one is? Do we know how many degrees that one is? Well, what do we know if I add them together? They gotta equal 180, y'all agree? So let's add this plus that and make it equal to what?
180.
So now we have a simple math equation that we can solve and find out what number x needs to be. Let's go. What's 5x plus 3x?
8x.
8x. See? Okay, now, once we get the equation to this point, we want to get x all by its. What number do I need to get rid of first? Do I need to get rid of the 8 or do I need to get rid of the 40? Because if you get rid of the wrong one first, you will miss it. No, the 40. Any addition or subtraction, move that crap first. Are you with me? So, how do I get rid of plus 40? You do the opposite. You minus 40. So now we have 8x equals what, 140? Are you with me? Now we can get rid of the 8. How do I get rid of the 8? It is multiplying. 8 times x, so what's the opposite of multiplying? You would divide by 8. Calculator time. What is 140 divided by 8?
17.5.
Oh, it's a decimal. That's okay. So, do y'all agree that x equals 17.5?
Yeah.
Now, let's find out how much these angles are. How can I figure out how many degrees are right here?
Multiply it by 3.
Multiply what by 3?
17.5.
Good. Once you know what x is, plug it in. What's 3 times 17.5? So this angle here is 52.5 degrees. And then let's plug it in here. What's 5 times 17.5?
87.
Plus 40.
127.
127.5 degrees. Now let's double check ourselves and make sure we didn't screw this up. What's 127.5 plus 52.5? It better be 180 or we messed it up. Is it 180? Okay, then we're looking good on this one. Questions? All right, let's do another one. Let's see. I don't think there's any super hard ones, so let's keep it simple. But let's make it a little more challenging. Let's go with. All right, this one. Big or little?
Big.
This one.
Little.
Okay, so don't we need to add these two things together? So what's 12x plus 3x?
15.
And what does that have to add up to?
180.
So we got 15x equals 180. What do I need to get rid of? The 15. How do I get rid of the 15? You just divide by 15. And calculator time, what's 180 divided by 15? 12. All right, so let's find out how big this angle is. What's 3 times 12?
36.
That's 36 degrees. What's 12 times 12?
144.
That one's 144 degrees. Okay, questions? So today, you're gonna have to use your knowledge that the big and the little have to add up to 180. They're gonna give you what the big one is, what the little one is. You're gonna have to add them up, set up an equation, solve it, find out what number x is, and then go back and plug it in to find out how many degrees the big one is and how many degrees the little one is. Questions? Okay, you'll need a blank sheet of paper.
I don't have one.